What's the meaning of book group? Book group. Book group.
Book group. Book group. A book group is a gathering of individuals who come together regularly to discuss a book that they have all agreed to read. These groups provide an opportunity for readers to engage in thoughtful discussions about literature, share their perspectives and insights, and form connections with one another through the shared experience of reading. Book groups can be organized by friends, bookstores, libraries, or community organizations, and often involve a diverse range of participants. Overall, book groups serve as a valuable forum for intellectual exploration and social interaction around the love of reading.